Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another video tutorial. I appreciate you stopping by today. I have a fun summer themed card for you today using the Sunny Splash stamp set. When I saw the catalog, this just popped out to me. It's just so fun, reminds me of those old-fashioned swimsuits, and my kids even like getting those type of swimsuits today. So yeah, I thought I'd do a fun card. So we're going to start with a So Saffron card base. You can also use Daffodil Delight, whichever yellow you like. And then we're coming in with a matte of Blackberry Bliss. And then I have a piece of the Design a Daydream Host Designer Series paper. You get a huge pack of this. It's in the Host section, so you do have to put in a workshop order or have a large enough customer order to qualify to get this at a discount. But it has lots of fun patterns in this pack. All right. For some reason, I was having a little bit of a struggle cutting paper the other day, and some of it got off track a little bit. I don't know what happened. Sometimes we have those days we're just not seeing straight or cutting straight. That's okay. You know, it happens. It happens to the best of us, so just know that you are not alone. Okay, so I have a few more pieces here. This is another piece of So Saffron, and I'll put the measurements on my blog. The link is below, and I'm going to use some Blackberry Bliss ink, and we're going to just stamp Hello Sunshine. I just like this sentiment. It could go for so many different things. You could stamp happy birthday on the inside, or thank you, or miss you, or whatever you want to stamp. So I'm going to take this one. I stamped it right at the bottom. We're going to center it up and down, side to side. Hopefully that's pretty center. Okay, so I've got these two pieces of basic white. We're going to stamp some swimsuits. I'm going to start with Pool Party, and what I'm doing is just picking the colors that are in my Designer Series paper, and I'm going to start with this fun little swimming suit right here, and we're going to do this in Pool Party and stamp it right over to the left. All right, and then I'm going to take my Blackberry, I'm going to bring that back, and we're going to do this one with the 4 buttons. Whoops. Lace and lace trim. I'm going to stamp this right next to that. All right. And then I'm going to take this striped swimsuit with some petal pink. I just re-inked this. You can see that I just re-inked it. So it's going to be probably a nice dark petal pink. I'm going to stamp this one on the right side. Ooh, cute. And my last color is Old Olive. I'm going to take the polka dot swimsuit. I feel like I called this a stamp set. It's a swimsuit. And I'm going to stamp it on this piece of white, scrap white. All right. You know what? While we have this, let's stamp our envelope. What color? I feel like I'm going to do the Blackberry Bliss swimsuit on our envelope, because why not? Cute. Okay. All right, I'm going to cut this out. We do not have dies. This is just a stamp set, no coordinating dies or punch, although a swimsuit punch would be kind of fun. So far we haven't had anything like that. Okay. This one's pretty quick and easy to cut out too. We just have a little bow's the only tricky part. I'm not cutting out the inside here because we're gonna pop it up with our other suits, and it's got white behind it anyway, so I don't think it'll matter. Okay, let's adhere this to this other strip of Blackberry Bliss. All right, and we are going to use some dimensionals and pop this up on the card front. Okay, it's kind of a long piece, so I'm going to put 6 of my minis in here. Okay. We're going to just pop this up right here above our sentiment. Is that straight? Maybe it needs to come down just a little bit. Okay. And then let's add our extra swimsuit. Okay. Just pop it up right here so we have a whole line of swimsuits. Now, the fun part is we are going to embellish each one of these little swimsuits. Let me close up my ink here real quick. Okay, so we are gonna start with this one right here. And I've got our Pearl Basic Jewels. And as soon as I find my pick tool, well, I found half of it. I don't know where the other half is. We're gonna use 4 of these small pearls right where the buttons go. There's 1. Oh, let's pick that up. 2. All right. Add some partial pieces in here too. 3, 4. Cute. Okay, next we're going to do the blue swimsuit. And I have these gems. I've used quite a few, but they're the solid faceted gems from the annual catalog. And so they come in Pool Party, the blues. We have a Pool Party one, which I'm going to just pop up right where that little bow is. And then we also have Petal Pink, which I'm going to use a small one of the Petal Pink and just put a little one right here on this side. Now we have our Old Olive. So I've managed to save a couple of green Funflower resin shapes, and I think I'm gonna take the small one and we're just gonna stick it right down there in the bottom. Isn't that cute? Just adding some embellishments to our fun little simple swimsuits can really make your card pop. All right, I hope you enjoyed this project today. Measurements and supplies are on my blog with the link below. And if you'd like to purchase this, it's the Sunny Splash Stamp Set, item number 158784. It's in the annual catalog. I'm not sure, hold on, of the page number, but it's pretty close to the front. It's page 41. And the link below to purchase is also there on my website, and please use the host code provided. All right, thanks everybody. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.